Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the app and phone are ready. Outdated versions block options. Once updated, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu and choose Settings. Make sure your phone's sound and notification permissions for Instagram are enabled in System Settings. This lets the app change notification behavior. Now tap Notifications in Instagram settings to access message, story, and live alerts. Proceed deliberately. Missing permissions is the most common blocker. Once in Notifications, choose the category you want to change: direct messages, comments, or live. Tap that category to see granular options. Instagram surfaces push notification toggles, and on some platforms, sound choices. If sound isn't shown here, it's controlled by the phone. Open the app notification in System Settings and select Sound or Default Ringtone to assign a new tone. Make sure you understand that Instagram uses system channels on Android versus built-in tone. To finish, apply the sound choice and immediately test by having someone message you or using a test notification. If the new tone doesn't play, force close Instagram and reopen. If still stuck, restart your phone to reload notification channels. Make sure battery optimization isn't blocking background notifications, and confirm Instagram has permission to send sounds. If all else fails, reinstall the app to reset notification configuration. This sequence fixes most issues and explains why each step matters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.